Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. It's Janisa with Forbidden Couture Plus. Here, we talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today I'm going to touch on the beauty. I bought this ponytail that I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys this easy, sleek ponytail. I guess it would be easy. I'm not going to say easy because depending on your hair type, it might take you a lot of maneuvering, a little different stuff to get it just the way you want it. But I bought this ponytail back when I was in Kansas City, probably in the beginning of March. Decided not to wear it, and it's just been sitting in my hair pile, and I'm like, I might as well do a video on this because I'm tired of looking at my hair looking like who shot John. So yes, so right now I have my hair freshly, I'm not gonna say freshly washed, but it's wet. I wet it up good, put some conditioner in it, wash the conditioner. Also could be easier to manage because right now my hair is giving me the blues, y'all. So it ain't working with me the way that it's not working with me the way that it usually does. So anyway, this is the ponytail that we'll be using. It is the Equal Drawstring ponytail. It's a Bohemian twist, girl. So we're going to be using that. I will also include all products that I use on my hair. I do get a lot of, questions about how I get my hair so sleek. Do you have a perm? Are you mixed? No. No to all of the above. Nah. None of that stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and I'll be back.